So I want to share with you my two new favorite cases from RX Cases for peptides. If you open it up, here's the small, really well built. They're 3D printed, but you really would never know it. They're really solid, great hinge support. This is my personal case here. As you can see, it has some really nice copper accent colors. This is a really nice feature. For the hinges, it's reinforced with some hex screws here. Let's open it up. Nice clasp, real tight. And when we open it up, here you go. So a few things to note. You can store your backwater in there. It also comes with a small 1 ounce vial for any isopropyl alcohol that you have, and it fits right in there. I like to use cotton pads, so this is a great addition here. It holds roughly about 12 to 14 syringes and 15 peptide 3 milliliter bottles. So you can see these are kind of the smaller size bottles here. One of the nice features is it has a QR code to a reconstitution calculator, which I find to be extremely helpful. It's a great tool. It's at protocolapp.health. If you do use Protocol app or haven't been introduced to it yet, you have 2 QR codes here, so you can scan for the Apple Store or the Android Store, so you can install that app, which also I highly recommend. But again, if you're looking for a peptide case, this is by far the one that I would recommend. It's solidly built, and this is one of my favorite features. You don't hear a lot of rattling. It fits so tight together that everything stays right in place. Love this case. Recommend you check it out. It's on Amazon, eBay, Etsy. You can also go to rxcases.com. They have 3 sizes, a small, which holds 5 vials, medium, that's what this is, 15, and a large, which holds 20 vials. Great case, love it. Go check them out.